Hi, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're going to learn the second tutting combo of the series of tutting combos. Alright, so here we go. The first move you're going to want to do is, boom, this right here, the 90-degree angle, right arm, left arm. You can connect it at the tip of the elbow right there. Okay, so this is going to be the starting position, and then on one, you're going to go and isolate this part right here, and you're gonna go boom. Okay, so this is gonna fold down, okay, and this arm is gonna swing. Okay, think of a swing. You're swinging it, okay, but try not to sway. Try to keep this piece straight and swing. Try to draw like a little curve, like that. Think like a curve. Okay, so from here, boom. Okay, and this wrist is gonna swing to connect with the other wrist. Okay, so very carefully go from here, swing, and as you're swinging, this is folding. So boom, so whoop, that's one, and then from here you're gonna go two. Notice that the arm that's swinging down is going in front of the folding one. Okay, so from here, one, two. Okay, all I did was fold. Okay, this is folding down, this is folding out, and then from here you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna open this up, and this one's gonna swing that way, and it's gonna curve that way. Okay, so this is what happens. You go fold, boom. Okay, one more time. So you did fold and then swing it out this way. Okay, notice this is the opposite of this. Okay, so boom, you just did a fold and you go out, and then boom, now we're on this side, and you're gonna repeat the same thing but on this side. So here, swing it down, flip, swing it up. Okay, make sure it's all straight, and then let's start again from the top. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I added some hits to that to make it more sharp, so you can go pa, pa, hit here, hit, boom. Okay, one more time. Here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here you're gonna go back to here. So here, 1, go down, 2, and then from here switch, 3, go back, 4. Okay, one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just switching it. So here, boom, 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 boom. Okay, hit, 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 hit. And you could hit that as fast as you want. You could be sharp, 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 or you can just go boom, 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 really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop this, go here, and then left, right. And you could look, or you can just go boom, boom, whatever fits your style. Okay, so boom, boom, and then from here you're gonna go out, and this doesn't have to be straight. This could just be a hand reaching. Okay, so reach, twist. Okay, you're kind of controlling this line to go diagonal back. So boom, boom. You want to snap that. Okay, and then place it back. This one, reach, boom, boom, put it back. All right, one more time from here, from the very top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, up, up, boom, turn, boom, here, boom, turn, boom, here. Okay, and now from here you're gonna fold it up. Okay, make an X like that, slide it down, turn it around, slide it up. Okay, from there you're gonna go over. Now make another cross here, slide it down, slide it out, and then you switch. Now we're back to the top, okay? Boom, close the loop, starting from the top. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up, down, twist, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can begin the whole process again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, down, switch, up, boom, boom, boom. And that's number 2. Hopefully you got that. If not, go ahead and rewind, slow it down, do whatever you need to do. If you have any questions, message me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next tutting combo. All right, peace and practice. Peace and practice.